Go on an outing with me with Aki to get Echo, and we might go to Big Fun. So I'm posting this on my main channel because YouTube won't let me log into my other one. So yeah. Yeah. There we go. So I'm so excited to go outie. My phone. Okay, I'm just gonna like pause it for now. Barf, barf, barf. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just goofy. I'm a goofy little goober. Oh shit, I forgot to take my pillow. Oh well, it's the weekend. I love the purple hair. Well, more like pink, but whatever. Such beautiful music. Alright. My mother has handed me bread. We had to stop somewhere, so bread. Fadophilia. I'm not a Taylor Swift fan. I hate Taylor Swift. I only like CG5 and Weezer. Oh, I'm just like Buddy Holly. And you Melly Tullamore. I don't care what they say about us anyway. I don't care about that. Bang, bang, knock on the door. I forget the rest of the lyrics. Easily puzzle missing pieces. I hold on without complete. Every spark tears me apart. Can't heal this heart's internal bleeding. Mighty Grail, the Amazon truck. I admit this song is catchy. By the way, we're like going to like Big Fun and Bass Pro, so the Almighty Grail. The Almighty Grail. Y'all be here. Oh god, it's windy. Okay, come on, Aki. Let's meet your new girlfriend. Me teasing Aki be like, okay, let's go. Okay. Good lord. Wind. Okay. I told you it's windy. I'm on what? We ordered Sasha to like Bassy, so to Bass Pro. Go to Bass Pro. Customer service. The wind is pushing me back. Good lord. My eyes are watering. This is the beauty of living in Alberta. Now my eyes are like, jeez. Now I can see all. I need to be in the warm Bass Pro shop. Thank you. I'm so excited. My baby. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look at the plushies. And I'm really anxious to do this alone. So, bringing her. My mom's going to meet me over there. Foxies! Okay, I think I know where I'm going. Deep breath. Oh, good Lord. We're not having panic attacks today. We are not having panic attacks today. We are not gonna have any panic attacks today. Oh my God, the necklace! Oh, they have Bella! They have Aki. They have Kitsy. Kitsy! Oh my God. Oh my God! Oh my God! I found her! Borf. Oh my God. Okay, anyways, even though I'm getting one today, I'm going to hold on to you. Borf. Oh my God! I found you! Yes! 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 I found her! Yes! 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 Oh, good Lord, I think I'm going crazy. Good Lord. Meanwhile, sick. Good Lord, I think I'm going crazy. Oh my, you should see how happy I am right now. Yes. Yes, I shoot my S's, but like, Ech0. Just gonna comb her out a little. My hands. But I can't believe I have found you. Oh! Oh! I am the happiest kid in the world. Oh! Yes! Sorry, I'll calm down. Good Lord. Tail. Kitty. Kitty. Foxy. If my mom does not find you at customer service, I'm taking you home. Worth. Should I walk back or should I not? Oh, but I'm so happy. Your fur isn't that itchy. Your fur is actually really soft. I'm gonna give you a great comb when we get back. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it, waiting for my mom to come find me, so. But that actually looks so majestic. Happy Riley. I can't believe I found you. I found you. Oh wait, I did not pause this. Oh. Okay, I decided to go back because I want to be near my mom. Heading back. Oh, yeah. I found her buried in the plushies.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's go. We'll actually pick up yours. That's
What?
amazing. Well, that's not the. Oh my God.
I know, but I just found her buried. I'm like, ooh.
That's amazing.
I'm like,
Amazing.
oh,
So
I want to head back.
I went to pick it up, and she's like, "Oh, you go over to this one." And I'm like, "Well, that's helpful." Thanks.
What?
I don't know.
I'm just going to hide you here. Just okay. I've been told to stand in the corner because I'm getting some plushies for Christmas, so I gotta. And she has to find which one is the husky. So.
There you go, kid.
Yes! 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 Thank you! Yes!
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Let's go to Big Fun.
Alright.
Having Ech0 sit on my lap. And buckle up. I hate ponytails. I think so. Ech0 with her gear on.
You know what? Aki? Okay.
I can't bring my ESSAs in there, so. Okay, let's go.
Oh, sorry.
Ah! Yes! Woo! Oh, we are here! There's a lot of kids here. Aw, the Hello Kitty fanny pack ain't there no more. Well, we are here, so I'm just gonna end the vlog
Where do you
here.
think you were?